and I'm ready to help you speak English with confidence. My classroom is a supportive space where we focus on practical conversation skills and breaking down difficult concepts so they are easy to understand. We won't just study English, we'll use it to talk about things that matter to you. Outside of teaching, I love writing songs. It's all about rhythm and storytelling, just like language. I also love diving into new worlds by watching anime series. Stop wishing you could speak English and start doing it. I promise you a class environment that is full of fun, engaging activities, and guaranteed learning progress. I hope to see you in my class.